Equipped for work. Everything for your workplace. Porto medium back bonded leather manager chair. Assembly guide. Included in the box are seat pad and backrest with mechanism attached, 5-star base with casters attached, and 1 gas strut. To start, take the gas strut and drop it into the centre of the 5-star base. Next, with the help of another person, take the seat pad and lift it onto the gas strut. You should feel it slot into the hole in the base of the chair. And there you have it. Your new Porto medium back bonded leather manager chair is ready to use. From Equipped for Work. Everything for your workplace.